there, friends. Welcome to Kids Learning Spot. Today we are going to learn about some amazing birds' name. Are you ready? Let's go. First up we have the parrot. Parrot. Next is the sparrow. Sparrow. Here comes the eagle. Eagle. Meet the owl. Owl. Penguin. Penguin. Say hello to the penguin. Flamingo. Look at the flamingo. And this is the peacock. Peacock. Robin. Next up is the robin. Robin. Cardinal. Cardinal. Here is the cardinal. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Here is the woodpecker. Seagull. Seagull. Next is the seagull. Say hello to the kingfisher. Kingfisher. Ostrich. Ostrich. Look at the ostrich. Next is the turkey. Turkey. Duck. Here is the duck. Pigeon. Here comes the pigeon. Pigeon. Stork. Stork. Say hello to the stork. Vulture. Vulture. Here's the vulture. Kite. Here's the kite bird. Kite bird. Quail. Next is the quail. Nightingale. Meet the nightingale. Goldfinch. Goldfinch. Cockatoo. Cockatoo. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Kids Learning Spot for more fun educational videos. See you next time.